الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أدبوا أولادكم على خصال ثلاث حب نبيكم وحب أهل بيته وعلى قراءة القرآن. The beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, train your children in three qualities: love for your beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, love for his family members, and reciting the Quran. The meaning is that children should be habituated to these three qualities so that they grow up with them and remain steadfast upon them. Moreover, the love for the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam refers to faith-based love, which is obligatory. It encourages adherence to the religion. May Allah give us ability to love Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family members, and may Allah give us ability to recite Holy Quran with tajweed. May Allah grant true love for him and his beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.